Drake is all in, as they say, in a big, big way. So Drake has joined the All In Challenge. This is where a bunch of celebrities are offering incredible experiences for fans. You can they're either up for auction or they're
but
like
specific to them. You know, like Matthew McConaughey taking people to a Texas football game, University of Texas.
Yeah. Leo DiCaprio's got one.
You can be in a movie of Leo DiCaprio's with Martin Scorsese, which is amazing.
You can be a Leo movie. There's a Kevin Hart movie. Lots of people involved. But here's what Drake is offering. This is the ultimate Drake experience. If you ever wanted to, we always show you Drake living incredibly fabulous. And if you ever thought, boy, if I could just do that for a day with Drake, well, check it out.
Whoever wins, you'll get the chance to fly on Air Drake. I'll have the OVO package waiting for you on the plane, the Nike Care package waiting for you on the plane, fly you to LA. You'll get to come and party with us, one of our private parties at the Lila. We'll have a great time, put you up in a great hotel, whoever you choose to bring for the weekend. And then it doesn't end there, because we'll link back up in the city that you're from. We'll get you the best tickets possible to the show whenever we can tour again. I'm supposed to challenge 3 people, but I really just want to challenge anybody who's willing to step up for this cause, because I think we all need it right now.
Good for Drake. Well, yeah. Can I tell you? Good for people. Oh, this 767. You mean?
Yeah, it's not a. It's a commercial airliner that you're flying on with Drake. So it is really, really amazing.
Oh my God! Look at that.
Look at this thing.
That's crazy.
It's like being an Air Force One. It's like it's your version of Air Force One.